Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I show you how I turn these plain kiss nails into these fun nails for any holiday or special occasion. Stay tuned. So if you're like me and are trying to up your nail game, I think I found the perfect solution. Nail wraps. I don't know why it took me so long to stumble on nail wraps. I've heard about it, but I just never looked into it. So when I went to Ulta, I picked up a pair. I don't know what the brand was, but I liked them. And they lasted me about 5 days, which I was like shocked because I wash my hands so much, especially with everything going on. I'm constantly washing my hands. During Halloween, I wanted to try to see if they had like cool Halloween nail wraps out there. Ulta didn't really have much of a selection. I was like, let me just check on Etsy. Oh my gosh. If you guys haven't checked out Etsy, you definitely should. There are so many cute nail wraps out there, and I found these nail wraps, which are the cutest thing ever. I wanted to wear them for Halloween, but didn't order them in time. So I was like, okay, it's still fall. I can totally still wear these nails. Of course, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I have yet to put them on. I was trying to grow out my nails, but of course, they broke and I couldn't. I found these Nude Kiss acrylic nails. They are medium, which I was trying to get a small, but honestly, with the length of the design of these nail wraps, it's probably good that I did get medium. So you can either wear these natural or they're meant for you to put polish on them. And it was only like $4.50, so I was like, okay, perfect. Now that you know the backstory on why I wanted to film this, let's get started. Okay, so for the nail wraps, I'm going to figure out what size works best for each nail. So I'm going to sort through them. And the sides of the nail wraps that do not have tabs, so such as this right here, all this side and this side, the side that does not have the tab will be the side that goes on the bottom of your nails. So I'm gonna sort through these nails and figure out what size goes best. Luckily, these are gonna be glue on, so I can do this off of my finger, and I feel like that's just so much easier. Okay, so just like gluing on fake nails to your actual nails, for the nail art, they do have some instructions, one of them being cleaning your fingernails before applying the sticker. So, since these are fake nails, I'm going to take nail polish remover and just wipe them really quickly, which honestly, I don't even know if I need to do it because it is a fake nail, but I'm doing it anyways. If I were to apply the nail art to my actual fingernails, I would start from my pinky and work my way up to my thumb just because it's so much easier when you do it that way. But since this is not my actual nail, starting with my thumb. All right, yeah, so you're gonna take off the film first, then sticker. All right, there we go. I feel like since I'm not putting it on my actual nail, it is just so much easier to do. All right. When I did use the nail wraps on myself, I found this tool to be super useful. Much easier for me to be able to get the little air bubbles out once it's on your nail. Since this isn't my actual nail, I'm able to get air bubbles out a lot easier with just my fingers, which is great. Okay, so now I'm going to take the excess, going to press it down and just cut it. Getting off as much as I can, and then whatever I can't get off, I will just file. So now that I finished applying all of the nail wraps onto all of these nails, apply a quality top coat for longer wear, non-quick dry. Use the big matte top coat. I'm really hoping this doesn't mess it up. So here you have it, guys. This is how the nail wraps turned out. I love it. I just wish I didn't put that matte top coat on there because otherwise I feel like they'd look so much better, but definitely a step up from my regular nail game. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!